2009. Air France Flight 447 is en route from Rio to Paris. Then the plane vanishes over the Atlantic.
I've lost an aircraft with 228 people on board.
Aviation experts are baffled.
Did the aircraft just go missing? Has it actually crashed?
The plane is one of the most technologically advanced passenger aircraft ever to fly.
For an A330 to have gone missing, it was kind of unthinkable.
Clues to what happened to Flight 447 are frustratingly few.
But now, recordings have been recovered from the cockpit. These incredible tapes don't only reveal what caused the crash.
Pull up. Pull up. Pull up.
They pose a disturbing question. Just how safe is flying today? May 2009, Rio de Janeiro, Galeão International Airport, 7 p.m. local time. The Air France flight, an Airbus 330, takes off for the 11-hour journey to Paris.
Air France is a great airline. The A330 is the latest generation of airplanes.
The aircraft is so technologically advanced, aviation experts claim it pretty much flies itself.
The pilots will be flying the aircraft manually during the takeoff. As soon as the aircraft's off the ground, the pilots will put the autopilot in. Then it doesn't come out until the last 500 feet of the descent. They trip the autopilot out, and then by the time the aircraft's come to a halt off the runway, you've had about 2 minutes flying. So it's about 4 minutes of flight.
There are 228 people on board from 32 different countries, including 5 from the UK, but the majority are French. Caroline Soulas and her husband, Air France flight attendant Sebastian, have just enjoyed a 3-day break in Rio.